In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces and objects in Canva. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to highlight or obscure parts of your image effortlessly. Whether you want to maintain privacy by blurring faces or create a soft, dreamy effect on certain objects, this guide will walk you through each step to accomplish just that. So, let's get started by opening up Canva and loading the image you want to edit. Begin by navigating to your Canva homepage. From there, select the image you'd like to work with. If your desired photo isn't uploaded yet, that's no problem. Simply head over to the Upload section found in Canva's sidebar and choose the image from your device. Once your image is loaded and displayed on the canvas, you'll want to click directly on it. This simple click signals to Canva which image you'd like to edit, making the editing options appear conveniently at the top of your workspace. Now, direct your attention carefully to the menu above your image. This is where you'll find the Edit button. By clicking on the Edit button, you'll open up a variety of editing tools. These tools range from basic adjustments like brightness and contrast to more advanced editing capabilities. Getting familiar with this section is key because it will be your best friend while editing in Canva. Within these options, you'll need to locate the Blur tool. It's one of the many effects available in Canva. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Blur. This action activates the blurring feature, allowing you to control the intensity of the blur effect. Canva's interface is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to experiment with the blur intensity until it looks just right for your image. With the Blur tool now active, it's time to get creative. To blur specific areas, you'll use the brush. Drag the brush over the parts of the image you want to obscure, such as faces or license plates. You can also use this feature artistically by blurring the background to help your subject stand out more prominently. Take your time here because applying the blur effect gently and thoughtfully can significantly change the impact of your image, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully applied a blur to parts of your image using Canva's intuitive blur tool. Remember, once you're happy with your work, don't forget to save it. You can do this by clicking on the Download button located at the top right corner of the screen, making sure to select the format that best suits your needs, whether that's a PNG or JPEG for most purposes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative content. See you next time, and happy designing.